LoL Scout. This is your resource for League of Legends where you can look up your stats and much more. In this video, I'll give you a quick tour of how to use LoL Scout.
Right here, we're looking at the featured player of the week, the odd one, on his Olaf. We're looking at what league he is in. He's in Diamond 2. How many games he's played on Olaf this season, his kill death and assist ratio, and you can see each breakout of the wins and losses. You can also see on the right his LoL score, which is a rating from 0 to 100, basically saying how good he is, and it's based on KDA. You can also see a basic build that the odd one uses for Olaf, and at the very bottom, some runes that he uses, his rune page for Olaf. If you click on them, it'll give you a little preview of what each stat they're getting from the rune and what the rune is. Now if we navigate to the top here, we can go to match history, where we see right now we're at Dyrus. You can see the last 10 games Dyrus has played. Now you can search any summoner you like. Let's search the odd one. And we're going to keep the region the same. Up here you can change the region, but he's in NA. And you can see what summoners the person took, items, champion played. The green border indicates they won the game, as the red border indicates they lost. You can see some basic stats, and if you look on the left, the 37k for Italy, that stands for how much damage they dealt that game. Now if you click on an individual game, like this Zach game, we can see some more information about it. Now if we go back, we can go to our menu and go to rank stats. This gives an overall rank stats of how they did this season. Right now we're looking at Dyrus, and we can flip through the rune pages that he uses for all his champions if we want. Now this is just this season. If we look at the odd one, we can search him. Again, keeping the region the same, and you can see the name that they name their rune pages. So he names this rune page Bug, and you can scroll see all the runes that he uses and what he's getting from each rune. Also, we can go over here to the tracker page. This page is where you can look up a summoner and see how much time they played. So let's look up the odd one. And we can see he's played an hour and 54 minutes today. If we want to stop tracking, we can push this X, and the update updates how much time he's played. Now, it'll send you a little notification. You can enter this. You can enter a summoner, and you can tell it how much time you want it to, when it wants to alert you, and you can do that by going to the settings. So right now I have it for 2-hour time limit cap. So if I go over 2 hours, it'll send me a notification, and we can change that by just going to 1. And the other one is over 1 hour of playing, so if we hit update, it'll send a little notification. Now if we want to change how much time this is updated, because this app will update how much time you've played frequently, you can just click right here and it refreshes every hour, but you can change that. So this is how LoL Scout works. Thanks for watching.